Hello guys, I'm back to more videos. So today we're going to play Tower. So anyways guys, if you want to see more videos, so anyways guys, we're going to play the game that is called the Tower. So anyways, I'm going to keys, but anyways, we need to just go for it. I need to just beat her I think. So let me start it, okay? So anyways, we're going to beat her instead, because I'm going to get faster. And also I'm going to be win. I'm going to win first. Let me win first guys, okay? So anyways, we're going to beat that game more instantly. But anyways, there's a bit players in there. So I wanted to we go. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. How can I choose? Oh, you did it. What? How? Okay, I want to beat her or something. Let me beat her. So anyways, okay. What's that? Who are you? Who are you? Oh wait, there's a checkpoint. Okay. Let me beat that game, guys. Let me just beat that game firstly. So anyways, I'm not gonna slip out away, and also I'm going to beat it, but I don't wanna fall. I don't wanna fall, guys. Let me just beat that game, the entire game, because of this. I'm so fast because hello, I'm getting fast, I guess. So anyways, I'm going to beat that game for that game. Fall, guys. I'm not gonna fall. So anyways, okay. So I'm not gonna fall, guys. What's that? Girl. Bro, why does she so fast? Why does she's in the top? Bro, this is not fair. This is not fair, I think. Okay. What's that? Checkpoints? What the heck? Wait. She's... I think she... Wait. Who are you? What's that? Okay. Okay, I don't know. I don't know how to talk about this, guys. I need to go up in there. So, anyways, we're going to beat that game, for the... Anyways. Okay, why there's so many laser? I think. You... Where's the girl? What's that? She's top? Why? She's in the top? Why? Huh? No, what this game? This game sucks. Okay, so, okay, this one is tower. This one is hard tower, I think. So I'm going to play the game. That's called tower. So this is the joining server and Loy. I don't know what they talking about is, but I don't know what languages are. I don't know how. I don't know what languages are, guys. So anyways, stop lagging. Look, exactly. I'm not falling. Um, I'm going to beat her. I'm going to beat her, guys. Wait, she's in the top or not? I don't know. I know she's in the top, guys. I think she fell. Haha. I'm going to win first, guys. I don't wanna fall because I keep falling because it's hard mode. But anyways, I think I wanna beat it. Who's that? A grenade? Grenade? Wait. Why does she so fast? I need to beat her. You. Go. Okay. You try. So going to beat you, huh? Okay, what's that this called? What's that? Yeah. I don't know how to start it. Hold on. Okay, there's so many stars there because I don't wanna touch it. Or just I don't wanna fall. I don't wanna fall, I think, guys. So it's in a cube. So I'm in a top before the player will catch me, I think. Player will catch me because I am going to be a butterfly or something like that, I guess. So I'm going to play easy. Why do I climb that? There's so many. There's no ladder. Please wait. I know. I know. Please wait. Oi, you girl. Girl. How dare you? You. I'm so pro. I'm so pro, huh? Yama. Wait. She fell. She fell or not? Bro, huh? Why is she so fast? You know what? Bro, stop lagging. I look like a... Bro, I look like I'm not jumping. Bro, stop it. Oh my god. Why there's player there before? Because I don't like it. I don't like falling, guys. I don't like it. Leaving before. There's so many star in there. So I'm going to touch it before. Because they keep on just messing around. Okay. My eyes are itching, but you know what? Okay. We're going to play the game. That is called Tap. So there's so many ball. And yeah. pink balls today. So, anyways, who's that player? You tell me. Oh my god, you. I keep falling. Bro, I keep falling. God, falling. Um, 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 um. Bro, stop lagging. Why does my hands are sweaty? Oh, because I keep so lagging. Yeah, I keep lagging. Bro, it's lagging. I keep lagging for no reason, guys. Okay, so I made it, guys. I made it for the top. So I need to beat it faster. So I needed to beat it quickly, guys, before the player will catch me up. They were going to catch me up, I guess. Okay, let me beat it first. Let me beat it first, guys. Okay. Okay, so let me know in comments. And also, I'm going to beat that game for easy mode. Okay, okay. Hmm. Bro, I keep scratching my eyes, I think. Let me beat this, guys. Okay? I don't want to end. Whoops, E. Whoops. Wait, wait. What the heck? Wrong player. Okay, reviewing the chat. I think my players are, yes, I win! Let me end for a second. Yay! I'm going to ride in a kid's train of the pony, My Little Pony. Also, guys, if you want to see more videos, make sure to like and subscribe. So, goodbye, guys!